Hello viewers, welcome to the voice of MFA. Today our globe is passing a very crucial time due to coronavirus COVID-19 outbreaks. Certainly you are staying safe by living in self-quarantine to avoid infection. In this situation, you can meet the needs of everyday essential products like detergent, skincare, razor, etc. How is that possible? The answer is, it's very simple. You can order those products from your living place and will receive at the same place. You just need to click on the link given in the description area and follow the rest instructions you will see step by step. After a few minutes, all process will be finished and you will be arrived towards your free sample. Just watch this video and follow the steps exhibited here in this video. You might receive this link by an email or any other mediums. Read the primary message and click on the link. You will be redirected to a new page. After reading a summary there, you will get another link and click on that. Now, you will be redirected to another new page where you will need to fill a form. You just need to sign up here with accurate information. After finishing, you will get an email confirmation regarding your free sample received. That's it. So, don't wait to thinking, click on the link to start right now. The link has been given in this video screen as well. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel, to like, comment, share and to press the bell icon for notification. See you soon in the next video. Keep well till then.